I cracked UGC JRF examination this year. Speaking about my preparation strategy, now I'm looking forward to doing my weak areas. Now for paper 2, I've not studied population studies.
Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Scholars Group. Recently, UGC net result for the December 2021 and June 2022 cycle was announced. You also heard about that. The cutoff marks for each subject were also released on NTA website. So many candidates from all over the country qualified for this prestigious examination. You can see the current cutoff marks for population studies on your screen. A total of 192 candidates were qualified all over India, in which 34 were JRF and 158 were NET. Now talking about our Telegram group along with YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, The Scholars Group. If I talk about 25 candidates qualified for JRF and more than 40 candidates cleared NET. A very congratulations to them. Some of the qualified candidates personally text me for their achievement in this examination. On that day, when the results were published, they also informed in this Telegram group. In this you can see on your screen. For this prestigious examination, they participated also in the poll. A heartiest congratulations once again to them. In this row, I talked one of my students from Kerala. Her name is Akhila P, Ms Akhila P, for sharing her experience regarding preparation journey and strategy for this examination. She is sharing her paper 1 and paper 2 strategy scheme for this examination in this video. You will watch further. The Scholars Group channel also always stands for the standard level of study material in video format. I also uploaded time to time. However, she also got some related help from the last year JRF candidate Manika, Akanksha, Anjali and Anirban Gupta. As she mentioned, also she has mentioned in this group, Telegram group, you can see her conversation in this group. She is from Kerala and qualified for JRF in her second attempt. Last year also, because last year was the first attempt, and last year in her first attempt she has qualified NET in her first attempt. She is from Calicut and did her BSc in Mathematics and MSc in Statistics from University of Calicut. Actually, she completed her MSc in Statistics from Calicut in 2019. She is now planning for enrolling PhD in Statistics. Rest of the words you can hear from Akhila itself.
Hi everyone, I'm Akhila. I cracked UGC JRF examination this year in my second attempt. Now I'm looking forward to doing my PhD in statistics. Speaking about my preparation strategy, I would say I've given equal importance for paper 1 and paper 2. For paper 1, I went through the syllabus thoroughly and took few PYQs. Then I came to know that my weak areas are teaching aptitude, research aptitude, communication, etc. And my strengths are DI and reasoning. So I focused more on my weak areas. That might changes person to person. And I also done a lot of self-research and followed free resources only. I watched Thankyou sir lectures on his YouTube channel, Commerce Net Achievers, I+ Solutions lectures by Alan sir, and also I took a lot of mock tests, and I kept separate note for population studies, the core subject, and for paper 1. Now for paper 2, I've not studied population studies as a subject in my masters. So at the beginning I felt it difficult to digest such a vast syllabus. But later I found Siraj sir lectures on YouTube in his YouTube channel Scholars Group, and the top-notch explanation on PYQs and the detailed notes help a lot me to understand the core syllabus, the population study syllabus. And I referred Population Studies book by Asha Bende. This is the book, Asha Bende, Principles of Population Studies. And also I prepared separate notes for population theories, data, life table, like this way, as you can see here. Right? This is for life table. Right? And I practiced 20 plus PYQs from 2011 onwards. But I didn't find any mock test for paper 2 in online. What I did is I took a few mock test series for geography, because there are few topics which is very similar to our subject and geography. And speaking about the data collection, I used authentic sites only. Whenever I get a data file, I cross-checked it with the official website. And at last, now being motivated all the time during your preparation is not an easy thing. So what makes me motivated is an important thing. What I usually do is I keep dreaming like I already achieved the goal. And other thing I do is I talk to previous achievers of a JRF, right? Those things kept me motivated always and pushed me towards my studies. So that's all about my preparation journey. So best wishes for all aspirants. Thank you.